In this class, we will see what is a start tag and what is an end tag, what is an element, how title works, and what are attributes and values. We will start off with the start tag and end tag. So, if you see here, we have the body tag here and another body tag here. What is the difference between these two body tags? The difference between these two body tags is this forward slash. So only end tag will have the forward slash. Start tag will not have the forward slash. Any tag which is opened in HTML must be closed. Means HTML elements must have start tag and end tag. What happens if we don't have the end tag? That we will see in the next class where we are going to see headings and paragraphs. In next class we will see what happens if we miss the end tag. So this is start tag and end tag. Next, what is element in HTML? Just now we have seen what is start tag and end tag. Here, this is title start tag and this is title end tag. And this is in between start tag and end tag. This is called as content. But all together, title start tag, title end tag, and content all together is known as HTML. So HTML element is equal to start tag plus content plus end tag. Next, we will see how title works here. Title tag works here. So title is like a name for the web page. We will run the code and see the output now. How this title works. I'm running it. So you can see the title here. Title is displayed over here. Enjoy your vacation. This particular thing is only mentioned in the code. You will see it. If you can notice it, this is the thing which is mentioned inside the title tag. If we change this content of the title tag and run it again, the output title will also change. Next, we will see attributes and values. Any HTML tag can have both attributes and values. What is attribute and what is a value? We will see here. If you can see, this name is called attribute and viewport is called value. Again, this name is called attribute and other is called value. So this is how attributes and values go together in inside the HTML tags. In this video, we have seen what is a start tag and what is an end tag, and what are HTML elements, how title works, and what are attributes and values. So in the next video, we will cover some other topic. Thank you.